Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, an AI-powered code editor called Cursor AI. If you've ever wished that your IDE could understand your code, fix bugs, or even write whole functions for you, you're going to love this. Let's take a tour. I'll show you how to install it, what it can do, and why it might just be the future of programming. Okay, so what is Cursor? Cursor AI is basically Visual Studio Code with a brain. And that brain is powered by OpenAI, the same tech behind ChatGPT. It helps you write, understand, and refactor code faster than ever before. You can highlight code and ask for explanations, fix errors, or even generate entire blocks, all inside the editor. And the best part? It feels natural, like having a coding buddy next to you. Let's install it. Go to cursor.so and download the version for your system, Mac, Windows, or Linux. Installation is super fast. Once it launches, you can sign in using GitHub or directly with OpenAI. If you're coming from VS Code, no worries. You can import your settings, extensions, and even your theme. It feels just like home, but smarter. Now, here's the magic. Let me show you what Cursor can actually do. Let's say I have this function, and I'm not sure what it's doing. I highlight it, hit Command+K or Control+K on Windows, and ask, what does this function do? Boom. Cursor explains it like I'm 5. Want to generate a new function? Just write a comment like, create a function that fetches weather data from an API, then hit the magic key combo, and Cursor writes it for you. No need to leave the editor. No need to Google. Let's fix an error. Paste in a bug or a stack trace and ask, how do I fix this? It'll give you a clean solution, often with the code ready to go. You can even say things like, refactor this for better readability, or convert to async await and watch it transform your code instantly. Now let's take it one step further. What if you want to write unit tests using Cursor? I've got a simple method here. A basic calculator with an add method. All I need to do is select the method or the class and ask, write a unit test using XUnit or generate unit tests for this method, and here's what Cursor gives me. Ready to run. You can even ask it to generate multiple test cases, edge cases, or convert to an unit or MS test depending on your project. Cursor understands context, and that's what makes it so powerful. Cursor AI isn't just for back-end code. It can help you build responsive front-ends too. Let's say I want a responsive HTML table to list users. I just write the prompt. Create an HTML table with name, email, and role, responsive for mobile. And Cursor instantly gives me this. You can ask Cursor to create a responsive HTML table to display a list of users with name, email, and role. You get semantic HTML, built-in CSS, and even mobile responsiveness using media queries. No bootstrap needed. You can test the code generated, but before that, we need to save the file. Let's get fun with it. I asked Cursor, build me a Chrome Dino-style game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in 8-bit style. And just like that, boom, the entire game logic, styling, and player control are generated. Cursor even gave me animation with keyframes, jump logic, collision detection, and a game over alert. You can enhance it further, add a score, speed increase, or even high score storage, all inside Cursor. And that's a wrap. From generating unit tests to building tables and even creating an entire 8-bit Dino game. Cursor AI proves it's more than just an editor. Whether you're a front-end wizard, back-end architect, or game dev just having fun, this tool gives you superpowers right inside your code. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What would you build with Cursor AI? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building smart, keep building fun.